At the beginning of the first years, they learn automotive safety on how to properly lift vehicles and how to properly work in a shop and how to properly handle tools, handle torches, handle welders. And then after that, we do how they change oil. They learn how to change oil, and then they learn how to inspect vehicles. And then we do brakes, and then we do suspension, and then we do steering. So that's all in the first year. So in incorporating that, they also learn how to do billing, which is for the work orders, which helps them out in math. So if they ever want to become in the automotive field, they ever want to work as a service writer, or they're going to be like a parts person or stuff, they need to learn how to do that. They also use the phone and actually call and order parts, so they get the good communication skills on talking with other people over the phone. So, and they also send in voicemails with us about recommendations of what they found wrong with the car, so they can learn how to talk to customers and how to do things like that, which is very vital in this day and age to be able to communicate with customers.
I chose automotive diesel tech because I enjoy working on cars. It's kind of a getaway sometimes. It relieves a lot of stress and it's fun to do.
Second year, we dive into electrical, which is my specialty, and we know the future of cars, electric vehicles and hybrid vehicles. So we just got donated a Prius, which is awesome because now they can actually hands-on physically see a hybrid vehicle and deal with high voltage systems. And then after that, they get VSI certified, Vermont State Inspection certified. So I teach them, we have a tablet and there's training mode, and I teach them how to do a Vermont State inspection with the tablet, and then DMV will come down with an officer, one officer per student, and DMV officer will actually watch them do the inspection, and if they pass that inspection, they will get the Vermont State Inspection license when they turn 18, which is, in the automotive world and especially in Vermont, that is very valuable to walk in with that certificate. And we do a little bit of engine mechanical. We tear an engine apart and I explain the internals of the engine.
I chose auto because I have a huge passion for working on cars, and I took it last year and it was pretty good. I like the instructors a lot. They're really good people.
As you can tell, this is my van here. I'm really into vehicles. I went to Cheney Tech in automotive, and I graduated from a tech school. Then I worked for General Motors for 20 years and became a world-class technician. And I'm a gearhead, so I love vehicles and I have the passion for it. And the kids can definitely see how much I really like cars.
The shop runs like a family, so we're all really get along with each other. And
so we want to explain to these kids that there's lots of opportunities out there, not just turning wrenches, but you can also work at a parts store. So I'm all for the electric vehicle, which is the future of vehicles. I'm trying to emphasize that to the students, that this is where the automotive industry is going, and to just try to shift the culture.
I enjoy the fact that we're able to work on our own vehicles.
And it's great because you'll always have a job working on cars.